Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your chemistry class. Today in this video, we will be going to study about the topic scientific notation from lesson 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. As you all know, chemistry is the study of atoms and molecules. And if you have to study about atoms and molecules, time we have to study about that because the atoms are large in numbers, like it can be 6020000. So if you will see, I will say 000 again, how it sounds. And if you have to write the number like 0.000000, and so on it goes, and 16, so it is not easy to mention, also it is not easy to tell also. For this purpose, to use this term in very easy way, there is a term which has been used, is considered as scientific notation. So, scientific notation is an exponential notation in which any number can be represented in the form of n into 10 to the power n, where n is an exponent having positive or negative values. It means that small n can be negative as well as positive. So how we can say? Let us understand with the help of an example. Like if you will see a number that is 5 into 10 to the power 2, where 5 is capital N, because this number has been represented in the scientific notation. 5 is N and 10 is the base on which the exponent, you can say, or power, that is 2, and this 2 resembles to small n. So this number has been written in the scientific notation. Let us understand easily with the help of an example. So if you will see, there is a number given 232.5, and if you have to mention in the scientific notation, it has been written 2.325 into 10 to the power 2. So how we can write this number in the scientific manner? For in the scientific notation, a number should be written, a decimal place should be mentioned after one digit. So if you will just remove this decimal and shift it towards the left side, as soon as the decimal shifted towards your left side, it will gets added. It means like the decimal has shifted towards your left, so it will become 2.325 into, because this is capital N, that is 2.325 into 10, that is the base, and now the exponent, because the decimal has been shifted 2 digits, so the power will be 2. And if you will see, it has been shifted towards your left. When it has been shifted towards your left, it will be mentioned in the positive. It means it has been added, so it will become 2.325 into 10 to the power 2. Suppose the number is 0.0235. Now this number you have to mention in the scientific notation. Now if you have to convert, so now the decimal in the standard form, you can say, it is just a simple math, no need to worry. You have to shift the two digits towards your right. As soon as the digit shifted towards your right, the number becomes 2.35, that is capital N, into 10. Now the power, because it has been shifted again the two digit, that is 1 and 2, so it will be having power 2. But what is the difference? In the first, the decimal has been shifted towards your left, so it is in the positive. But here in this case, it has been shifted towards your right, so it will be 10 to the power minus 2. So that is how you can write the scientific notation with the help of this example. Now, let us understand the scientific notation when the calculation involved multiplication and division. If you will see here, there is a number taken 9 into 10 to the power 3 and 5 into 10 to the power 2. So here if you will see, 9 and 5 represents to capital N, and 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 2. So here simple, capital N will be firstly multiply, that is 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. And what to do with the exponential number, that is 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 2. So it will be mentioned in a bracket 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 2. And for easiest is that these bases in multiplication it has been added, that is 3 plus 2, and it has been written 45 into 10 to the power 5. Even you can write 4.5 into 10 to the power 6, because the decimal we have just put it on and it becomes 4.5 into 10 to the power 6. Next is, if you have to use this the same number but there is division, like in places between them there is the division factor. Now what will be done? No need to worry, it is just the simple maths. Now the number in place of multiplication, it has been divided, that is 9 divided by 5. And now the fractions will be, in multiplication it has been added, and here it will be subtracted, that is 3 minus 2. So 9 you will divide it by 5 and the power will become 3 minus 2, that is 1. So that is how, if you will consider here, the answer will become 1.8 into 10 to the power 1. So that is how you can do the same for the multiplication and division with a little bit changes. Next, the same thing when the calculation involve addition and subtraction. If you will see in this, there is the number 6.02 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3.14 into 10 to the power 2. Here in this condition what has been done, the number has been mentioned with 10 to the power 3. The first thing which we have to do is to convert the exponent in both the conditions should be same. Here it is 10 to the power 3, here it is 10 to the power 2. So it means it has to be converted, and you know very well how to convert it. It means as soon as we just shift this decimal here, the power will be gets added and 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So now the exponent becomes the same, and now we can simply add the number, that is 6.02 and 0.314, and the number becomes 6.334 into 10 to the power 3. The same thing you can use for the subtraction also. The only difference is all the methods will be same here also and here also. The only change in subtraction is that in place of addition it will be subtraction. That is the only small, or you can say a slight change. Hope you all understand how to write the scientific notation and how to with the calculation involving multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Hope you all learned well, and if you have done, then solve this question. Try to solve this question, and in these 5 questions, try to express in the scientific notation. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.